Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up WooCommerce to hide prices until users log in. This is incredibly useful if you want to create exclusivity for your products, encourage user registration, or maintain a wholesale business model where only registered members can see your pricing. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and do that now. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WooCommerce site so you have access to all the necessary features and settings. Once you're logged in, we need to add a specific plugin that will give us the functionality to hide prices. Look over to your left navigation menu and click on Plugins. When you click this, an expanded set of options will appear. From these options, click on Add Plugin. This will take you to the plugin library where you can browse and install new features for your site. You'll now see the plugins page displaying all the available plugins you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. At the top of this page, locate the search bar and type in Wholesale. From the search results that appear, look specifically for a plugin called Wholesale for WooCommerce. Once you spot it, click on More Details to see the full overview of this plugin. Take a moment to read through its features and functions to understand exactly what it offers. When you're ready to proceed, click on Install Now. The installation process might take a little while, so be patient as WordPress downloads and sets up the plugin on your site. You'll see a progress indicator during this time. Once the installation is complete, you'll notice the button changes to Activate. Go ahead and click on Activate to enable this plugin on your WooCommerce store. After clicking Activate, your page will refresh automatically. This brings the plugin's features into your WordPress dashboard. Now, look at your left navigation panel again, and you'll see a new option has appeared called Wholesale. Click on Wholesale, and you'll be taken directly to the settings page, which is exactly where we need to be for our configuration. On this settings page, you'll see various options for controlling how your pricing displays. Look for the option labeled Hide Price. This particular setting is designed to hide retail prices until a user gets logged into your site, which is precisely what we want to achieve. Simply click on the checkbox next to this option to enable it. This ensures that visitors who aren't logged in won't see any pricing information, encouraging them to create an account. Once you've checked that box, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes. This finalizes your configuration and applies the new settings to your WooCommerce store. Your prices will now be hidden from guests and only visible to logged-in users. And that's it. You've successfully configured WooCommerce to hide prices until users log in, creating a more exclusive shopping experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.